right on the sides you can get these delicious street food. So let's start from this side here. We have some twiggy, which is basically deep fried and totally delicious food, trust me. You have some shrimp, you have some like mandu, which is like dumpling. It is Asian dumpling actually. And if you buy tteokbokki, you can put those together for even much more delicious combination. Now she's actually making some. Yeah, and you can find this, like, how do I describe it? Dumpling filled kind of flour dough bread with fillings inside. You can have the traditional kimchi, which is fermented cabbage, and you can have like meat. This is what mandu is, and it's one of the popular street foods here in South Korea. Check it out. Right, so there are also some savory and sweet. So let's move on to the sweet treats. This is called duck also, but it's more of a dessert. So you have like bean filling, you have red bean filling, you have some other fillings that I don't know about. There's green tea, and they make really beautiful colors, and they give these for like chuseok and for special events. So check it out. Moving on to even more sweets, but this is more of a provision sweet. We have some fried guguma, which is actually sweet potatoes, in front of the shrimp. And then you cannot come to Korea without having their traditional pancake. So it's actually a vegetable kind of floury pancake, if I'm not mistaken. So it's called gochujang. Check it out.
Gochujang. And you have kimchi, and you have sai.
That's right. So there you have it. Live from Busan, South Korea, some yummy, yummy, yummy traditional street food here. Must try it.